For a protruding corner, cut flooring to required size. Place flooring and find edge of protruding corner. Score the backing using a grooving tool and rule to facilitate folding. After adhesive application, replace the flooring. Heat flooring at the corner. Tense and apply pressure to avoid swelling in the corner. For inside corners, in order to avoid welding inside corners, you are advised to use a single piece for both surfaces of the steps. Apply the horizontal part, heat the flooring at the corner, apply pressure with the roller, then smooth. Rule, grooving knife plus blades, pressure ball, smoothing press.